Hello, Tom.
Hello, sir.
Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try this problem. Find the value of the expression under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus it goes on till infinity.
Sir, this kind of sums we have done lot in our boards class.
That's great. But can you do it right now?
Of course, sir. Let us assume x is equals to the given expression. Now squaring both sides we get x square equals to 6 plus x. X is replaced for the expression. Now take every term in left-hand side we get x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. After factorizing we get x plus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. As x cannot be negative, hence x is equals to 3.
That's really great. But if you are planning for joint entrance examination, where time is a major constraint, there if you do this problem in this way, it will take more time. Don't you think so?
Yes, sir. That's true.
Okay, now I am going to teach you a method where you can simply say the answer just by viewing the sum. Will you be excited for that?
Of course, sir. If I can give the answer just by viewing the sum, it will reduce the time doing the sum in many folds.
Yes, Tom.
Then, sir, it will be an exciting class. Please teach us the trick.
Okay, see the trick. If any expression is in the form of under root n plus under root n plus under root n till infinity, then you always write n in the form of k into k plus 1. Then you can directly write the answer of under root n plus under root n plus under root n till infinity as k plus 1 directly. But if the expression is of the form under root n minus under root n minus under root n till infinity, in that case the value of the expression will be k only. Now let us verify the answer that Tom you have done right now. Here 6 can be written as 2 into 3, which is in the form of k into k plus 1, where k is 2. Therefore, your answer can be directly written as 3. Is it clear, Tom?
That's amazing, sir. Can we take another example?
Of course. Why not? Tell me. Find the value of the expression under root 30 plus under root 30 plus under root 30 till infinity.
Sir, this time I am going to give the answer.
Okay, Tom. Tell me the answer.
Here, n is equals to 30. Now 30 can be written as 5 into 6. Since the expression is in the form of under root 30 plus under root 30 plus under root 30 till infinity, hence the answer will be 6. Right, sir?
Absolutely right, Tom. Now let us take some example with minus sign in between. Now I am taking exactly the first sum but with minus sign in between. So the value of this expression will be nothing but 2. Now the second example I am taking, same as the second expression that we have already taken, but with minus sign in between. So its answer will be...
Sir, allow me to give the answer.
Okay, Tom, give me the answer with proper explanation.
Here the value of the expression will be 5. Because 30 is written as 5 into 6. Here k is 5. As in the expression we have minus sign in between. So, as you taught us the trick, the answer will be k. That is 5. Am I correct in explaining the problem, sir?
Wonderful, Tom. You have understood the trick nicely.
Thank you, sir. But I have a question. I hope all the students who are looking at this video right now have the same question in their mind. Suppose we cannot resolve n in the form of k into k plus 1. Then what to do?
Wonderful observation, Tom. For any expression like under root n plus under root n plus under root n till infinity, if you cannot resolve n in the form of k into k plus 1, then directly write the answer as 1 plus under root 4n plus 1 divided by 2. And if there is a minus sign in between, and if you cannot resolve n in the form of k into k plus 1, you write directly the answer as minus 1 plus root 4n plus 1 divided by 2. Is it clear, Tom?
Yes, sir. Absolutely clear. Can we take an example for these both cases?
Surely we can take examples. I will consider one sum in two versions. One version will have plus sign in between. The another version will have negative sign in between. There we will see how we can give the answer by applying the formula that I have given you right now. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Find the value of the expression under root 13 plus under root 13 plus under root 13 till infinity. Here we can see that 13 cannot be resolved in k into k plus 1 form. Now, since there is a plus sign in between, therefore we are applying the formula 1 plus under root 4n plus 1 divided by 2. We get 1 plus under root 4 into 13 plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is 13. Therefore my answer is 1 plus root 53 divided by 2. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now take the other version of this sum with a minus sign in between. We have under root 13 minus under root 13 minus under root 13 till infinity. Here we will apply the formula minus 1 plus under root 4n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is 13, so our answer will be minus 1 plus under root 53 divided by 2. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Hey, don't skip the video. The class is not over. We are going to discuss two more tricks. If you want me to teach more like this or to know more about this experience, make a comment below. 3 best comments will be selected and will be rewarded a booklet having shortcuts from almost all chapters. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about my new upload videos. Let's get back to the class. Let us learn 2 more tricks. See those 2 expressions. Can you locate the difference between those 2 expressions? The first one having the arithmetic operations in the sequence plus, then minus, then plus, then minus and so on. And for the second one, the arithmetic operation are in the sequence first minus, then plus, then minus, then plus and so on. Have you understood? Now the answer for the first expression will be 1 plus under root 4n minus 3 by 2, and the answer for the second expression will be minus 1 plus under root 4n minus 3 by 2. Is it clear? Now let us take an example for the first expression. For this expression, its answer will be 1 plus under root 4 into 3, because here n is 3, minus 3 whole divided by 2. That gives you the answer as 2. Is it clear? This is of the form of the first expression. Now, let us take the expression of second type. In this case, your answer will be minus 1 plus under root 4 into 21 minus 3 divided by 2, which is 4. Is it clear to everyone? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Let us have a quick revision on whatever we have done so far in this class.